How to touch her during a hug so she falls in love immediately. Most men think a hug is just a hug, a polite gesture, a friendly hello. They have no idea that within that brief moment of contact lies a hidden lever for connection. When executed with specific, unconscious triggers, it becomes a nonverbal conversation that builds attraction faster than words ever could. Today, I'll reveal the 4 silent rules that transform a simple embrace into an unforgettable imprint. The mistake is believing touch is just touch. In reality, it's a language. Her nervous system is translating your pressure, placement, and timing into feelings of safety, strength, and desire. Master this language and you communicate value on a primal level. Let's break down the secret one. The anchoring palm anatomy of a magnetic embrace. Secret 1, the anchoring palm. Where you place your hand is your first statement. Most men go for the upper back or a light pat. This is the vocabulary of a friend. The powerful move is to anchor your palm firmly on the lower back just above the tailbone. This isn't a romanticized zone, it's a neurological one. This area is linked to a sense of stability and protection. When your hand rests there with calm assurance, it bypasses her conscious critique and signals masculine presence and security. It says you can hold space literally and figuratively. Secret 2, the unwavering containment. This is where intention meets physics. A hesitant, loose hug broadcasts insecurity. It feels like you're asking permission to be there. Your embrace should be a confident enclosure, firm, consistent pressure that wraps around her. Don't crush, but do convey solidity. This creates a palpable sense of refuge. She should feel momentarily enveloped by your frame, not just lightly touched by your arms. This secret to unwavering containment feeling of being held is a rare sensation that creates immediate comfort and subconsciously attachment. Secret 3, the alchemical duration. Timing is your silent chemist. A toucan hug is a handshake, but something profound happens between second 5 and 7. This is the window where the bonding hormone oxytocin begins to significantly release. Most men panic and break away at 3 seconds, fearing they've overstayed. That fear is visible and felt. Holding for that full calm 5 to 7 second count creates a suspended moment. It allows her nervous system to settle into the connection. The world fades and all that exists is the shared rhythm of breath and the safety of your hold. This pause is where casual touch becomes memorable intimacy. If these layers are making sense, hit the like button. Now what comes next is the master stroke most men never see coming. Secret 4, the lingering secret 3, the alchemical duration signature. The release is not an end, it's your final punctuation. Do not abruptly disconnect. The last touch lingers longest in the mind. As you gently pull your torso back, let one hand glide with deliberate slowness from her back along the side of her arm, or with a faint, deliberate brush against the nape of her neck or her hair. This isn't a grab, it's a whisper of a touch. Why? The neck is a vulnerable, nerve-rich area. A respectful, fleeting contact there as you part imprints a final message of trust and gentle dominance. It leaves a phantom sensation on her skin, a sensory echo that lasts long after you've stepped away. She will feel that trail, and her mind will instinctively want to rewind the moment to feel it again. Understand this. The gap between an average man and an irresistible one isn't found in grand speeches. It's built in these millimeter perfect details that speak directly to her subconscious. You now possess the blueprint to turn an everyday gesture into a key that unlocks deeper attraction. Use this knowledge with respect, with confidence, and only with genuine interest. If this changes how you see every future interaction, support this Secret 4, the lingering signature channel. Smash that like button. For more insights into mastering the unspoken language of attraction, follow Mindscape Mentor.